Hello again, everyone. We're going to breakaway C box breaks for the 2013-2014 Panini Contenders box break number 25. Here's the last one for auction. Here's Edmonton. Serial number is NE206-425-349. That's NE206-425-349. Here, good luck, everybody. Rookie ticket auto for the Wild of Michael Granlund. And Cup Contenders, Joe Thornton, 342/499 for the Sharks. You got a Quan autograph, Patrick Marleau, Joe Thornton, Dan Boyle, and Marty Havlat for the Sharks. We got a rookie, 596/600 for the Penguins of Zach Sill. Rookie ticket auto, Corey Conacher for the Senators. We got Contenders Legacies of Brett Hull for the Blues, 264/499. Patch in this pack. There we go. Patch auto rookie 220/100 for the Penguins of Bo Bennett. Nice looking patch. Nice there for the Penguins. last pack. We got a Panini Contenders of Braden Holtby. His number 191 out of 499 for the Capitals. And there we go. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.